Often called the Pareto Principle, the 80-20 rule is a simple way to look at how effort and results align in your finances. Named after economist Vilfredo Pareto, this concept observes that for many outcomes, roughly 80% of consequences come from 20% of causes. While the numbers rarely add up to exactly 100, the core idea is that a minority of your actions drive the majority of results. In finance, this means identifying the 20% of habits that lead to 80% of your financial growth or stability. Unlike tracking every cent in a rigid budget, the 80-20 approach encourages you to focus your energy where it makes the biggest difference. Most financial success comes from a small number of consistent actions, like paying yourself first or keeping high-interest debt low. By focusing on the vital few actions, you can reduce stress and build a more sustainable path toward your long-term goals. Use the 80-20 rule to simplify your financial life today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more basics.